Okay, how to double your earnings on ClickBank with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click and this secret traffic source. So stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show exactly how you can double your earnings as an affiliate on ClickBank using this exact strategy. Alright, as you can see over here, right, this is one of my softwares that I'm using to basically create autoresponders, which are basically emails. So this is also email marketing. As you can see over here, how am I able to get this kind of sales? How am I able to make low ticket sales with ClickBank is using my backend strategy, which is email marketing. As you can see over here, right, almost 1,000 delivered, open rate was 85% and click-through rate was 67, almost 70%, right, which is really, really good. Now let's go straight into ClickBank. As you can see over here, right, I choose manifestation offer, which is basically a pocket change offer, right? As you can see, it's only $27. Now maybe you are thinking, okay, Tim, I'm only getting $27. It's not a lot of money. Wait, because with these kind of pocket change offers, people are doing instant decisions, instant buyers, right? They are frequent buyers. They just swipe their credit card, debit card, they don't care about it because as you can see, they have even 2 months money back guarantee and it's only $27. Now keep in mind, most of ClickBank offers, if you're a smart affiliate, you will choose the offer that's going to have a high upsell take rate. What does it mean? It means that once you can buy, you see $27 offers, you get bumped up to another upsell for maybe $100, maybe $300, maybe $500, right? This is how it works. It's bump, 1 click, 2 clicks upsells. All right, now you understand. Now why I choose manifestation or personal development niche. I'm going to show you something very, very special over here. Let's go to Google PPC now, okay? We are on Google Ads platform, as you can see over here. Now I choose here, you can see meditation, mindfulness practice, yoga, and let's say law of attraction, right? All right, let's see what's going to happen. Get results. Okay, almost 3,600 keywords ideas are available. Great. We only put 4 of them for only United States and for people who are speaking English. Now let's see how many monthly searches. For meditation, 1 million. For manifestation, 100,000 people, only in US. Not UK, not Canada, not Australia, not Mexico, not India, not Singapore, only USA. And competition is very low. That's a good sign for you. Alright, now you know this. Now what to do next? What is the whole plan? What is the strategy? Stay until the end because I'm going to share with you some of the bonuses that you're gonna get if you subscribe to my channel now and stay until the end of this video. You can find me over here as well later on my Instagram, right? If you want to have more information or talk to me personally. But let me show you now how exactly I'm doing this, right? What is the strategy, right? So the first thing is a niche. How to choose a proper niche on ClickBank? Of course, you can go and make money online. You can go financial niche. You can go car insurance. You can go, for example, dating and relationships. You can go weight loss and diet, Nutra. Now in this case I chose manifestation, which is a self-help category. Why? Because as you can see over here, global personal development market is right now, let's say at $50 billion per year, right? $50 billion per year industry. Now in 2030, it's going to be almost 70 billion. Right, so you see, it's really, really high industry. Now the next thing, as you can see over here, right, what I'm trying to show you is you have to choose the right audience and what you're offering to them. Many gurus are teaching you, give people some free cookie, free ebook, but let me give you a simple example. As you can see here, right, let's say over here we have a Muslim person, and here is Hindu. Muslim doesn't eat pork, Hindu doesn't eat beef, cow, right? It's about religion. All right. Now, what I'm trying to show is this. If you offered this pork steak to this Muslim person for extra $5,000, you would offer them extra $5,000 cash to eat this steak, perfect steak, they would still refuse it. They wouldn't buy, they wouldn't take it, even if it's free. Same goes for Hindu with beef. So what I'm trying to tell you is you have to understand what you're offering in your email marketing campaigns as an ebook, as a PDF, as a checklist to your market. You're gonna attract market with the right message. The name of the game is have the right message to market match. You see, when your audience awareness levels match with your message on your landing page, on ClickFunnels, or in your free book, then you create frictionless sales, right? So you create sales. That's how you make $10,000, $5,000 or more per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing. All right, I hope you understand that. Now, I hope it makes sense, right? Now the next thing is, what we are doing is this: targeted traffic on Google pay-per-click, opt-in page, a simple ClickFunnels website, 5-page sites, you don't get shut down, all right? And then we have one-time offer. So we offer them a pocket change offer, low ticket offer, which is around $27 to $37, right? It goes under the radar because lots of people just do instant buyer decisions for low ticket offers like this. And then it means that you're building your email list for free. No money down, free, right? Because you're spending, let's say, $25 a day on Google Ads, and you are making back $37, or you are making back $100. Doesn't matter. What matters is that you're collecting the leads for free, right? If I spend per day, let's say for one campaign, €100 or $100 on Google Ads, and I make only one sale, I make no profit, I make zero profit, I still make money. Why? Because I collect the lead, I collect emails, and then I can send them automated, done for me, autoresponder, and maybe on day 2, maybe day 4, when I send the promo out, that person is going to pay $200 or $400 and purchase the products, purchase the goods. Do you see how can this benefit you? Right? When I got started, I had no idea how this works, but there are people who don't have even $2,000 or even $5,000 to begin with, yet they take their credit card, they take a loan, and they got started, and they start making huge income, right? I mean, for me, at least, I would take a loan for $5,000 if I had to, just to make my first sales, to make my first month, right? And start generating huge income online. So, very, very important aspect of affiliate marketing. This is this whole system. Now, what you can do next, if you're watching this video, if you want to get results, as I shown you before, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can join my private email list, right? And what I'm going to offer you is a free 15-minute Zoom call. So if you are serious, the next slide I'm going to show you who this is not for, but if you're serious, let me know. You can connect with me, all the links are below this video, my private email list, you get hot tips, Facebook, WhatsApp, right? Instagram, Facebook. So all these things are below in the description, but now, before we finish this, is who this is not for. So this is not for you, this is not for you if you're not serious, if you are not willing to spend at least 1 hour to 2 hours per day, right, with me, one-on-one, or yourself, and if you're not willing to invest in yourself at least minimum $1,000 US to $5,000 US, right? So if you're an excuse maker, this is not for you, right? Only if you're serious, if you're an action taker, if you're willing to invest some money and a little bit of time to get the results that you desire, that you want, that you know you want now. And I think by now you already realize that you should do something. You should at least stop procrastinating, not making excuses, not letting fear holding you back, and take action now, right? Because tomorrow never comes, right? So if you really want to get results, subscribe to my channel now for more tips, all right? So you can get notification whenever I make new video like this, and let me know. Connect with me one-on-one if you are really, really serious, right? Make sure you're really serious. So you're not wasting my time, and I'm not wasting yours. All right. And the next thing, if on the Zoom call, by any means whatsoever, you feel like I wasted your time, even for 1 second, right? Let me know. Email me, WhatsApp me, and I will immediately write you a check, a PayPal you, whatever, Stripe you, or Bitcoin you $100 to compensate you for your time. All right? Make sense? Great. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.